Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you one of the tools in this Milwaukee combo kit that I just picked up. This has the impact driver along with the regular drill. So this is the fuel. Both of these tools are the fuel models. These are like the higher end tools that Milwaukee makes. These are the brushless. So we're just going to be going through this tool in particular. This is the impact driver, model 2953-20. Not sure if the camera will focus on that, but yeah, it's 2953-20. So we're going to be showing you the tool features of this, and then we're going to do a quick demonstration on it, show you how it works, and show you all the different settings. So if you guys like this kit, I'll put a link in the description on where you could pick up this entire combo kit. Right now it's going for around $350. You get the battery, you get everything you see here. You get the charger, 2 batteries, the handle, and then the clamps for the handle that go on the drill. So we'll put this away and we'll just go over the driver. And then if you want to check out my channel and subscribe, I also made a video on the drill. It'll be kind of a similar video to this that shows you everything. So yeah, we'll get right into this. We'll start from the bottom of the tool and work our way up. So the first thing we'll show you is the battery. See, if you press this button right here, it tells you how much power you have left in the battery. So you can see we have a full charge. And then to remove the battery, you just want to press these 2 red buttons and pull straight out. And then to reinstall, you just line up these grooves with these and push in until you hear a click. And then here's your belt loop. This is set up right now for a right-handed person, but you can move this clip by removing this screw in here and then just moving the whole clip over to this side, and then it's set up for a lefty. So then working our way up, here's our trigger. And then if we press this button in right here, that's our forward. And then if you press it in here, that's our reverse. And then if you have it kind of in the middle, the button pressed in the middle, that's your safety, and you can't turn on the driver like that. It locks the trigger. So then you can see here we have 3 different speeds. That's speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and then we have a 4th setting. That 4th setting stops the driver so that you don't strip out sheet metal screws or any sort of screws that you're going to be driving in. It kind of prevents the screw from stripping or breaking. So that's like kind of if you're going to be drilling into like sheet metal or anything like that, that'll stop it. And I'll show you in the demonstration what that looks like when it's on this setting. So then we'll just show you how to install a bit. See, we have a bit right here. To install the bit, you just put it in and press straight down, and that'll lock it in. So you can't pull it out. And then to remove the bit, you have to pull up on this black ring, and then you could remove it. So to install, push straight down, and then to remove, pull up on this ring and then pull it out. Then you can see when you turn it on, 3 lights come on. So if you're working in dark areas, it'll be well lit up. So yeah, now we'll go through a quick demonstration and we'll show you the 3rd speed, and then what this 4th option looks like when you're actually driving into we have a scrap piece of wood set up here. Okay guys, so we're back over at the workbench, and we're going to show you what this is like on the 3rd speed. That's the highest speed, and we're going to be setting this screw, and then we're going to be setting the other screw using this auto stop feature. So we'll do the speed 3 first. See, it's on the 3rd speed. And you just want to be careful when you're driving in at this speed, because it's very easy to drive your screw in too deep and split your wood or whatever you're going to be working with, whatever material you're working with. So we'll just show you what that looks like. Okay. And now we'll show you, here's the auto stop feature, and you'll see when I pull the trigger in all the way, it's going to automatically stop this drill to try to prevent either the screw from stripping or the screw from breaking. So we'll show you what that looks like. You can see it just turned off. So, you know, if you're setting a lot of screws, that could get very annoying because it didn't set it all the way. So I'll show you again. See, it keeps stopping. But it is nice because you have a less likely chance of actually splitting your wood, breaking your screw or anything like that. And yeah guys, I mean, there you have it. That's the Milwaukee Fuel brushless impact driver, model 2953-20. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and check out all my other tool and DIY videos. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.